Hi, my name is Warren Homan from Old Tin Pants. I'm using the original coil. There it is, it's on there. It's a Pulscan TDI coil, 12-inch Spider. It's a mono coil from mine. The Americans got the dual field, which is you have the 12-inch and your center is your 6. That's a dual. But we don't have that on our machines here when it first came out to Australia. That's why it's TDI Oz single field. You notice on there. Now that's the original one that comes with it. I have like me little 6-inch mono Cortex. I had me 14x9. That's my hunting gear. If I'm going out anywhere for rally beaches, this coil. I found gold with this coil, but we've had to see if we can hunt on a section here where it's this is a part of the open cut where they've taken the ground out. Many of them, like on banks of open cuts, go over them because anything from the top will drop down, go on cracks. It's a bit surprising. A lot of people just get out on the flat and don't worry about the sides. I said you got to hunt everything. Now we're going to show how this starts up. I still can't use headphones to show you all this because you wouldn't hear the sounds targeting. But I've done a majority of hunting without the headphones on, and the sound does get a bit annoying. Majority of times I'll take them off when it gets too hot. It's real hot, the temperature gets up. But you better for using your headphones because you hear those small targets. You'll miss a lot of targets if you don't. Now you set it. You put it in the oil. You turn. I still set on 8. I'm in the 6 series, which is on the 12 o'clock on the fine. Still on small gold. On your small gold and your pulse delay. Pulse delay does some remarkable things. It's even on your Surf Pros. I use the Surf Pro out in the ocean. That'll be another DVD which I'll be making up for Tony. You got your like on your power game, which is sensitivity. When we explained before, it's your gain as well as your off and on switch. Make sure you always turn them off. I never carry the batteries in them. I take the batteries out, put them in a safer place. But when you go to use the machine, put your batteries in. Don't leave your batteries in. Okay, now we're going to start up and have a go. I'm setting around 7 on this one. We want to go behind it. If you go any higher than that, in Victoria you can average between your 6, 7, 8. In your sulphurs, I've always been hunting in this setting between the 8 on the main, and your gain sit between 6, 7, and you just tune your fine in. The good thing about these machines isn't you can fine tune that in that it's picking up the small stuff, and you can knock out. You can go into hot rocks, and you'll hear your hot rocks. You can go over a few times. They just fade. They fade out. So now we're going to start now. We're in all. So I'm just going to see if there's any changes. A little bit of a change from before using the 6 and the 19. Well, I've actually got a target. Now I haven't found too many nuggets with this coil. I found one or two. It's I got the Cortex coils, and I haven't regretted it. Like I've been finding a lot of. we have got a target. I don't know what it is. Yeah, we're on a slant. Just give me a bit of an idea. Where's a hunt and open cuts? You go from the tops. You can hunt down the tops and go to your side. Any target comes down, it's going to fall, slide in little cracks, crevices. Nothing to the bottom, and you work your way up. I've got a target, and this is only a very small little crack. You can see it, this is only a little crack that's running through there. Now, you see how you coil in, just bring your machine and just dab it. You target. Now look at that. There you go. They do find gold. Now that's gold sitting in a crack. Just a drop off. So I have used, like I've picked up a fair few nuggets using the spider coil, the 12-inch. I can't say they're not a bad coil, but they are a very good coil. Some choice of you've got that many choice of coils to use between your nugget finder and Cortex. When you're out there as a serious hunter, which I am myself, for hunting for gold, I have the best equipment with me too. That's a nice piece. You know, you're looking at that there. I put that on my leg. Put a bit of spit on it. That there's a. Are you looking there? That there's an 0.02, 0.03 of a gram. So that can punch. That can punch quite well. Now my setting on that was all. I do a lot of hunting in all. And then you can hunt on the oil and your live. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to do a bit more hunting with this. So now I'm going to we're going to target up the top. Now I'm going to try that in low. It's got that gold, you know, it's got that nice hum comes in it. When you got now it's got that deep. Now I take that as not as gold. Oh, you got that, but you won't really know until you dig it up. I like digging up every target. So I'm going to get me pick. And we're going to find out what this target is. Now I've gone over the hole. Now I've dug it out. You're about 4 inches deep. Now retrieve it. Now if you stick that in high, just to give you a demonstration, stick that in high. Here you hear the... That's why you hunt, you do a lot of hunting in your all and your low. Target's still there. Now we'll find out what this target is. Now I've got the target in the container. Still in. Still got the... Now we've got a piece of flattened... We've got a piece of flat lead. Now it's been fired. That's out of a gum, or piece of lead. It comes in your exact same as your gold targeting. You notice there wasn't much change on your signalling. That's why when I find targets like that, don't hesitate not to dig them. Dig them all up, because you never know. Which I've seen many people do over the years. They leave good targets behind. I've seen people have, just recently, one of my friends of mine picked up a 42 grammer. He was nearly going to reject that using a 45. He was nearly going to reject it, discriminated it out, and he decided to dig it and found that he had a 42 gram specimen. So you dig your targets. And back through your holes. And my name's Warren Homan. I'm a rep for Tony, and I hope this DVD's been very helpful to get at when you're out in the field. All the best out there for all your hunting, and I hope to see you out there. Okay, bye.